Could it be possible that you are uploading your YouTube shorts incorrectly? For the majority of you watching this, that would be yes, and I was one of them. And I was shown this just a few days ago, and my jaw dropped in regards to my YouTube shorts. And I'm going to show you this as well. And I'm telling you, you will definitely see a little bit of an uptick, if not a great uptick, within 24 hours to 7 days. So let's go right into it. You're going to go into YouTube Studio. Full transparency, this can only be done through your desktop or laptop. Your YouTube app on your smartphone or tablet does not offer this. So you can only be done through a laptop or a desktop. Go to YouTube Studios. Okay, when you go to YouTube Studios, you're going to hit Content, and then you're going to click the good old Shorts tab. Now, right there, depending on how many shorts that you have, they're going to list them all right there. So what do we know about Shorts, right? It is YouTube's answer to TikTok. It's effective. It's gotten even more effective with the new tweak that they've done as of March 31st of 2025, where people are getting a lot more views and engaged views. You can definitely look into that in regards to the latest YouTube news. Now, the key thing is when you put a YouTube short up, it's either 30 seconds to now the extended 3 minutes. You put it up, you put your title, you put some hashtags next to the title, and there you go, and hope you get some views. Great, and you probably are getting views, and that's awesome. But what about if you want to get even more views, more hourly views, as well as hopefully subscribers? This is what you have to do. Now click any of the YouTube shorts that are in your YouTube studio. When you click onto it, you're going to see your YouTube short, of course. You're going to see that title that you put up there, complimenting the YouTube video that you placed up, and you're going to put up those hashtags right next to the title, complimented the title, and then complimenting the YouTube short. Now, though, I want you to go a little bit further down, and I guarantee you something that is going to be glaring is empty, and that is the YouTube short description. What? Yep. In most cases, a lot of people, just because they're uploading YouTube shorts through their phone, they don't offer this when you do that. So when you put up a YouTube short, go down. There is no option for a description, but in regards to a desktop or a laptop version, there is. So what I want you to do is I want you to type in a detailed description of the YouTube short that you just put up. That will complement the title and the YouTube short. So let's give an example. Let's say it is in regards to birthday themes, and the YouTube short is a birthday themed YouTube short. Okay, so you place the video there. You can then put on that title, birthday themed ideas, right? But now in the description, you should write in, this following short is going to reveal 10 of the best birthday themed ideas for adult birthdays, teen birthdays, etc. Okay, so what do we have there for keywords? Shorts, birthdays, birthday ideas, birthdays for adults, birthdays for teens. That's in your description. Okay. Then when you go further down from that description that was glaring and it was empty, you're going to see another thing that's empty, and that is your tags. It is really a key thing. A lot of people have it in their mind that, oh, we just put the hashtags next to the title. Yes, but there is a little bit more of a rabbit hole where that option is always empty and people bypass it. So you're going to go hashtag crazy by going and placing all those keywords that you put onto that description. So what do we say? Shorts, birthday themes, birthday ideas, birthdays for adults, adult birthdays, birthdays for teens, teen birthdays. So now those hashtags are complementing the description. The description is now complementing the title, and the title is complementing the video, and the video is complementing the hashtag description. You follow what I'm saying? By doing this, this is how we know. This is common practice for long form, but everyone, including myself, has been doing this one big mistake. Now, what are the results? You will definitely see an uptick. How will you know this? By going into your analytics within about 24-hour time. Heck, just even checking a couple of hours, you're going to see some shorts that you probably put out months ago that probably has lost traction, And for some reason, it's starting to gain some traction. That's where you know, when you look at your analytics, the 60-minute mark, as well as the 48-hour mark, that you will notice that certain shorts that you thought were dead in the water, for some reason, are being revived. Why? Because YouTube and its algorithm is starting to recognize what that YouTube short that you placed was all about. So this is something that depending on how many YouTube shorts that you have, it might be a little bit tedious, and you might have to go through an audit for each and every one and edit it, because each YouTube short might be different for whatever the theme or the niche that you've placed. But this is going to be common practice for every YouTube short that you're putting up. And again, I know you hear it all the time on YouTube, and it is correct. It is all about consistency. So depending on how many you put out a week, what you do is you upload the video, mark it as private, fill in the description through the desktop and laptop version of the YouTube, put in your tags, and then either schedule it or upload it, and then watch the magic flow, so to speak. But outside of that, this has got to be common practice moving forward. You have to treat shorts just like you treat long form. So guys, thanks for watching. As always, they say in this good old YouTube world, subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's play.